Hey guys, you're welcome back to Editorial Family Channel. Yes, I was not there. My beautiful wife will be taking you round our empty apartment tour. So do subscribe, thumbs up, and enjoy it.
Okay, so he wasn't there when I made this video. We're actually making an introduction to this. Okay, so um I'm gonna take you around the whole apartment when it was empty, although it is not fully furnished yet, which we are gonna be showing them, like the two of us, right?
Yeah.
We're going to be showing you guys the furnished apartment, but before that, watch this empty apartment. Know how it was in the beginning.
And now,
So this is the apartment that I and my husband we're going to be living in. Okay, this is actually the living room. This is how it is. Now what we're doing is that we're actually painting. So I just said let me do um an empty apartment tour. And when you get inside the living room, you're gonna see this corner here. I don't know what we're gonna be putting here, but when the time comes, we'll cross it. Yeah. So there's a visitor's toilet here. This is the toilet. He's still dirty. Well, we're working on cleaning that. Okay. All right. So the living room is actually a little spacious. We wanted something spacious. As we can see, there are prints there, so we're just painting it, changing the color from this particular one to this particular one. So when you get inside, there's a door here that leads outside, but not necessarily going down. Like you're not gonna go down. There's a balcony here, and just outside. Now let's go inside because we're not going to be filming inside, right? Sorry, we're not going to be filming outside. So there's this space here. Okay, so this is the dining section, and apart from this dining section, there's a space here, huge space. We're just resting here, and it's actually a two-bedroom apartment. This is the first room, and this is the second room. Okay, before we go into that, let's go to the kitchen. This is the kitchen door. I don't know why they use this small door, but it's actually still beautiful though. I like it. And this is the kitchen. This is the exit door, but it doesn't actually go outside. Like this is another exit door that goes downstairs. You have to use this particular door to go downstairs. Then they have this cabins here, and then have a store which is actually very dark. It's big though, but it's dark. So let me take you outside. Like, okay, all right. So this is a passage. I think someone kept this. I don't know what's that, but this is the back stairs where you would have to go down. Okay, and let's go inside back. So the kitchen, they actually renovated the place for us, like changed the slab here and changed the stuff. Now it's just for us to clean it all up. And this is another exit door that does not actually lead you downstairs, but it just leads you to this balcony here. So it's a closed balcony. You don't go downstairs, but when you want to go downstairs, you have to use this particular door. Then you go downstairs at the back. Right, so now let me take you to the room. So this is one room here. Now this is how we just got the stuff. We actually not unpack them. Okay, we're gonna be unpacking some stuff. We're going to be unpacking it when the house is properly clean, and painted because I actually want all of this place to be white. Yup, so that making vlog inside and around will be, you know, looking sharp and beautiful. So they have two windows. This is the first one. The second one is actually wide enough for some good fresh air to get inside. And this is a closet. It's huge. I like it, but we have to clean it. This is how it is. Okay. So, all right. So this is the toilet inside the room, and this is how it looks like. It's still dirty, but we're going to be working on that. They have shower and some stuff. I don't know what all of that connection is. With a reasonable window, yeah, bigger than my own apartment or the apartment that my husband is actually staying right now. Okay, so to the second room, which is almost like the same thing. This room is actually very bright. Initially, when we came in here, we were like, we're gonna use this room for or as our master bedroom, like I and my husband, because it's actually, it looks to me, it looks bigger than the other one. But on a second thought, there is a road. You can see that tarred road, you know, so there'll be noises of bike and all of that, and I don't like the brightness of this room. It's too bright in the afternoon, and there will be sun. You can imagine that there will be sun, so when you place a bed here, maybe here, and then you open the window, the sun will just come reflect on top of the bed. So this is actually going to be like our children's room when they come, and as they are coming, yeah, this is another closet which is actually the same thing like the other one. It's still huge. I love them. This one is even more neater than the other one. Yep. And kitchen, I'm sorry, toilet, the second toilet. I don't know why they have this division here, like this division. This division is actually making the side of the toilets look dark, but nonetheless it's still okay. So this is the toilet, which is not cleaned up yet. Don't bother about it being clean or not. We're gonna clean everything up. So this is how it is, and I like the color of this tiles because it makes everywhere sparkling white. Okay, let me turn the camera around so you can see me, because so having showed you all of the room and the living room, the dining section and all of that, the next thing that I'm going to be doing next is to oh my god, the next thing I'm going to be showing you next is when the house is done, like when we've moved in. You can see the beauty in white. You can see that, you know, unlike this is also beautiful too. Like, hold on, let me come close. You can see how it is. It looks like my former house. Like, I don't want something that looks close to my former house. I want a place that looks really, really bright, really, really beautiful, you know. So that's why we had to change the color of this paint from this color to this color. Okay, that's what they're actually doing right now. And yeah, look at that, it has pop, and that's what, when my husband saw all of the pop stuff and the wideness of this living room, he was like, wow, we are going to be making use of this a whole lot, because I'm going to be making my video somewhere and he is going to be making his video. Yeah, please, if you've not subscribed to my husband's channel, do that. I'm going to be linking one of his video where he does where he gives me internet, like free internet. You can imagine that. Anyway, he went to a technical school where he does like, some technical stuff, so many handwork, and that's one thing I love about my husband. He's very very industrious, and I'm like, why not get a YouTube channel and do this thing on YouTube, So he has a YouTube channel now. So please subscribe to his channel. Support him grow. Please, okay? Please, you. Okay. Alright, so that will be the end of this room or apartment tour. And the next tour that you all are going to be seeing, let me show you myself, like what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a very big gown. These days I've been wearing big gowns to church. I've been wearing short, free gown, to places. And it suits me. It kind of make me look, So I might make, why I wanted the white paint is that I might sit down any place, like even this place safe. I might even sit down here and make a video, like make intro for my video. Like, look at this. It's so bright, and the background, I don't even need to put another thing. And the background is actually so bright enough for me to use, and that's why I'm like, I told my husband, please, let's make it white, okay? Because left for him alone, he doesn't care if it's that color. But I initially I wouldn't have cared if not for the fact that I need a very beautiful background, for my videos and stuff. Okay, because we are gonna be. I have paint all over my hand. Anyway, the thing is that my husband is actually the one painting this place, so that's why I'm like here with him. He went out to buy me some good food because I'm always hungry. You can see my cheek is swollen, getting big. Anyway, guys, so I'm gonna be updating you guys. So that's it. We'll see you again. We'll talk again. For now, stay beautiful, blessed, and bye. Love ya. Subscribe to my husband's channel, okay? Okay, I hope you enjoy all of the empty apartment waka dube, all of those stuff. So we're going to be coming back to show you the
Furnished.
furnished apartments tour. Okay, we're going to show you the ones that we were able to do. All right, but for now it is not fully furnished. So bye.